Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Honorable trustees, principal sahib, respected teachers, esteemed guests, and my dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all of you on the proud and historic occasion of the 77th Republic Day of India 2026. Republic Day marks the historic moment when the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. Our Constitution is not merely a book of laws. It is the soul and guiding force of our democracy. It guarantees fundamental rights to every citizen, defines our duties, and empowers the government to ensure justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. This significant day also reminds us that freedom was not achieved easily. It came through years of struggles, patience, and countless sacrifices. We remember with deep respect the brave martyrs who laid down their life protecting our national border, and the great freedom fighters who gifted us most precious treasure, freedom. Republic Day is also a celebration in India's rich culture, unity in diversity. Despite differences in language, religion, caste, and culture, we stand united as a nation. This said land has given birth to unforgettable personalities such as Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Maulana Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Ashfaqullah Khan, Mir Abdul Hamid, Khan Abdullah Farkham, Tipu Sultan, Bhagat Singh, and Subhash Chandra Bose, whose lives, sacrifices continue to inspire generations to walk on the path of courage, truth, and justice. As we celebrate the 77th Republic Day in 2026, we must also look toward the future. The responsibility of building a strong, peaceful, and progressive India, education, character, and respect for the Constitution. At last, I would like to convey a message. Let us move forward together with determination, stronger and more prosperous with each passing day. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.